In a cozy corner of the Whispering Woods lived a tiny dragon named Ember. He was round, he was cheerful, and he had one very big problem. Every dragon on the block could breathe fire whenever they wanted. But Ember? He could only make fire one way. Ah. Ah. Achoo. Fire. One sunny morning, Ember woke up with a gasp. Today was the birthday of his very best friend, Pip the bunny. And he hadn't prepared a single thing. Pip skipped along the forest path, ears bouncing, completely unaware. Ember watched from behind a flower bush, heart pounding with determination. Ember rushed to his favorite spot by the riverside and gathered everything he needed: the flour, eggs, honey, and berries. He was going to bake Pip the best birthday cake in the whole forest. He mixed and stirred with all his might, but when it was time to light the oven, Ember froze. He tried to breathe fire. Nothing. He tried again. Still nothing. Then, his nose began to tingle. Ah. Ah. Achoo. A massive fireball shot out and blasted the cake batter straight into a nearby oak tree. Batter dripped down the bark like sugary rain. Ember sat under the scorched oak tree, his chef's hat drooping sadly over one eye. His scales slumped. Maybe he really wasn't cut out to be a baker, or anything, really. Just then, a soft voice called out. It was Pip. She had followed the smell of honey and berries, and found Ember surrounded by batter-splattered acorns. Her nose twitched curiously. Ember's eyes went wide with embarrassment. He tried to explain, stumbling over his words, that he only wanted to bake something special. Something perfect. Something worthy of his best friend. Pip burst into the most wonderful giggle Ember had ever heard. She grabbed his little claw and said, "Then let's bake it together. Your sneezes are the best oven I've ever seen." Together, they mixed a brand new batter. Pip steadied the bowl, and right on cue, Ember's nose twitched. This time, they were ready. Ahchoo. A perfect, warm flame kissed the cake just right. Golden. Beautiful. Done. As the golden sun melted into a pink and orange sky, two best friends sat on the hilltop together, sharing a lopsided, slightly smoky, absolutely magical birthday cake. And Ember smiled the biggest smile of his life. Because the best gifts aren't perfect ones. They're the ones made with heart, even if they come with a little smoke, a lot of batter, and one very special sneeze. Happy birthday, Pip. Birthday cake fire 2 hearts.